How to fix neterror_cert_date_ invalid error. 1. Reload the page. 2. Don't use public Wi-Fi. 3. Check and correct your date and time. 4. Determine whether the certificate has expired. 5. Update your operating system and browser. 6. Disable your antivirus software. 7. Check your browser extensions, disable one, then reload the web page. 8. Clear your cache and cookies. 9. Clear your SSL cache via Internet Options. 10. Change your domain name system, DNS, server.